Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 6.3. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 6.3. First question, draw a pie chart for the given table. First they given the continent and its area. We have to find out the central angle and then draw the pie chart. First Asia, 30%. That means central angle 30 divided by 100 into 360. That is equal to 0 0 cancel, here also 0 0 cancel. We get 108 degree. Next Africa, 20%. That means 20 divided by 100 into 360. We get 72 degree. Next one, North America, 16%. 16 divided by 100 into 360 equal to 57.6 degree. And then next South America, 12%. 12 by 100 into 360, that is equal to 43.2 degree. Next one, Europe, that is 7%. 7 by 100 into 360, that is equal to 25.2 degree. Next Australia, 6%. 6 by 100 into 360 means we get 21.6 degree. Next one, Antarctica, that is 9%. 9 by 100 into 360, we get 32.4 degree. Now we have to draw the pie chart. First draw the circle and then draw a line anywhere, draw a radius. From that we have to measure 108 degree. Take your protractor and measures 108. Here 100 and then here 108. That is 108 degree. Next, from the line, keep your protractor. You have to measure 72 degree. 70 here, and then after two line we have to measure that. degree. 108 plus 72, that is 180, that is straight line. Okay. Next, 57.6 degree. 57.6 degree means near 8. 57.6 degree. Next 43.2. 43.2. Here only. Next 25.2. Here. Next one 21.6. Here. Next one 32.4. Here 32.4. And then shade this area and divide the continents. Now write down the continents. Pink color, that is Asia. Next one 72 degree Africa. Next one 57.6 North America. Next 43.2, that is South America. Next one 25.2 Europe. Next one 21.6 degree Australia. Next 32.4 degree Antarctica. That is the answer. Second sum, the data on mode of transport used by the students to come to school by are given below. Mode of transport: bus, cycle, walking, scooter, car, and they given the percentage of students come to the school by the transport. First one, bus, 40%. So 40 divided by, percentage means divided by 100 into 360 means we get 144 degree. Next, cycle, that is 30%. 30 by 100 into 360 equal to 108 degree. Next one, walking, that is 15%. So 15 by 100 into 360 means we get 54 degree. Next one, scooter, that is how much? 10%. So 10 by 100 into 360 equal to 36 degree. Next one, car, that is 5%. 5 by 100 into 360, that is 18%, sorry 18 degree. Total 360 degree. Next, draw the circle and radius, and then take your protractor. First one 144 degree. So from here measure 144, that is 100, 90, 100, 110. Here 144, 144. That is 144 degree. From the line we have to measure how much? 108 degree. Here that is 100. 108 means here. degree. Next 54 degree. From that we have to measure 54 degree. Here 54. 50, 54. Next one 36 degree. Measure 36 degree. Here 30, 35, 36. At last 18 will come automatically. That is 36. It is 18 degree. Now shade this portions. First one, bus, 144 degree. Next 108 degree, that is cycle. Next 54 degree, that is walking. And then 36 degree, that is scooter. Next one, car. That is the answer. Third sum, draw a histogram for the given frequency distribution. They given the age and frequency. First 41 to 45, 46 to 50, 51 to 55. Listen this, ages are not continuous distribution. So we have to convert this one by the lower limit equal to lower limit minus 0.5 and upper boundary equal to upper limit plus 0.5. So 41 minus 0.5 means 40.5 to here plus 0.5 means 45.5. Again 46 minus 0.5 means 45.5 to 50.5. Like that it will comes. So 50.5 to 55.5. 55.5 to 60.5. 60.5 to 65.5. 65.5 to 70.5. 70.5 to 75.5. So write the frequency, that is 4, 9, 17, 25, 15, 8, 2. Now draw the graph. X, X dash, Y, Y dash. Listen, write the scale unit. Here X axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Next Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Now write down the numbers. Now draw the histogram. First one 40 to 45, 40.5 to 45.5, 4. Here 4. Next one 45 to 45.5 to 50.5, 9. In between 8 and 9, 8 and 10, 9 is there. So here. Next one 50.5 to 55.5, 17. 16 and 18, in between, that is 17. Next one 55.5 to 60.5, 25. Here 24 and after that 25 here only. Next one 60.5 to 65.5, 15. Next one 65.5 to 70.5, 8. Next one 70.5 to 75.5, 2. Now that is 4, 9, 17, 25, 15, 8, 2. This one age. Sorry, this one age. This one frequency. Now shade this means, so that is the answer. Fourth sum, draw a histogram and the frequency polygon in the same diagram to represent the following data. Listen, 50 to 55, 56 to 61. Listen, these are in discontinuous frequency, that is not continuous. Weight in not continuous. So we have to convert into continuous distribution and then draw the histogram and frequency polygon. First one, what is the adjustment? Lower boundary is equal to lower limit minus 0.5 and then upper boundary equal to upper limit plus 0.5. First one 50 to 55, minus 0.5 means 49.5 we get, plus 0.5 means 55.5. Next 55.5 to 60.5, 60.5 to 55.5 to 61.5 here, and then 61.5 to 67.5, 6 difference. So 67.5 to 73.5 and then 73.5 to 79.5, then 79.5 to 85.5, next 85.5 to 91.5. write the frequencies, number of persons, that is 15, 8, 12, 17, 9, 10, 6. Now draw the histogram. First write down the scale units. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 6 kg, 6 difference, that is weight, no, so 6 kg weight. Next, y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 persons. Now x dash, y dash, and then write down the numbers here. Now draw the histogram. 49.5 to 55.5, 15. Here only 15. Next one, 55.5 to 61.5, that is 8. Next one, 61.5 to 67.5, that is 12. Next one, 67.5 to 73.5, 17. The next one, 9. Next one, 10. And then 6. Write down the numbers. 15, that is 8, 12, 17, 9, 10, 6. Now draw the frequency polygon also. From that we have to midpoint we have to point out and then join that. At last, next one here. That is the answer.
Fifth sum, form a continuous frequency distribution table and draw histogram from the following data. Age under 5, under 10, under 20, 15, under 20 they given. And number of person also given in the table column. First, class interval, how will you write down means under 5, that is 0 to 5. And then under 10, already we find 0 to 5 we put there, so from 5 to 10 here, and 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. Now number of person 1, and under 10 already 5 is, under 5 is 1, so list subtract 1 from the 12 means we get 11. And here 19 minus 12, that is 7. 26 minus 19, that is also 7. 27 minus 6, that is 1. 26. 35 minus 27, that is 8. 38 minus 35, 3. 45 minus 38, 7. 48 minus 45, 3. And 53 minus 48, 5. Total 53. So we have to draw the histogram here. First, scale units. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Now put down the numbers, x-axis and y-axis. Now listen, 0 to 5, 1. So 1 here, 1. 5 to 10, 11. 10, 12. In between 11 is there. Next one 7. Here 7. Next also 7. Next one 1. Next one 8. Three. 7. 3 again. Next to 5. 7, 7, 1, 8, 3, 7, 3, 5. So that is the here which one? Age. Here number of person. That is the histogram. That is the answer. Sixth sum. A rupee spent in a cloth manufacturing company is distributed as follows. Represent this in a pie chart. They given the particulars on pie say farmer, spinner, dyer, weaver, printer, salary. Listen. What are the particulars? Farmer, spinner, dyer, weaver, printer, and salary. Paise 20, 35, 15, 15, 5, 10. Listen. 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So central angle, how will you find out means 20 divided by 100 into 360 divided by 100. So that is 72 degree. Next one, 35 divided by 100 into 360, that is 122.4 degree. Next one, 15 divided by 100 into 360, that is equal to 43.2 degree. Next one, 15 it is 54 degree. 15 by 100 into 360, that is also 54 degree. Next one, 5 by 100 into 360, that is 32.4 degree. 10 by 100 into 360 is equal to 39.6 degree. Now draw the pi diagram. First, draw any angle, any line, radius. From that we have to measure the degrees. 72 here, 72. Next one, 22.4. From that we have to measure 122.4. That is 122.4. Next one, 54 degree. 54 degree. Again 54 degree. .4 degree. So after that 39.6 degree. Now shade this one. Now write down the names. First one, farmer. Next one, spinner, that is weaver, and then dyer, printer. Next, salary. That is the pie chart results. Seventh sum, draw a histogram for the following data. They given the mid value 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Frequency 12, 24, 30, 18, 26, 10, 8. First one, lower boundary. Lower limit equal to 15 minus half of. What is the difference between the class intervals? 15, 25, 10. So half of 10 is 5. 15 minus 5, 10. And upper limit 15 plus half of 10. So that is 20. So first one, 10 to 20. Next, 20 to 30. 30 to 40. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Class frequency 12, 24, 30, 18, 26, 10, 8. Now we want to draw the histogram. Scale units. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 centimeter, 10 units. Next y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Now write down the numbers, x-axis and y-axis. Now draw the histogram. 10 to 20, 12. 10 to 20, 12. Here 12. So 12 means 2 lines 11 and then 2 lines 12. Here. That is 12. Next 20 to 30, 24. Here 24. Next one 30 to 40, 30. 40 to 50, 18. 50 to 60, 26. Here 26. 60 to 70, 10. 70 to 80, 8. So that is the histogram for this data. That is the answer. Here exercise 6.3 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.